Hello internet, how are you doing today? My name is Brian, if you are new here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing, but it's not really that much of an unboxing, because I've unboxed this before, and I just wanted to make some content today and kind of just talk and chill, so this is going to be an unboxing and chill video. We're going to be unboxing some AirTags today, a 4-pack of AirTags, and some protective holders, and yeah, so this is what this is going to be. If you're not interested in the chit-chat part of the video, I'm gonna put a timestamp right here where you can skip to just the unboxing section. Let's just talk, let's just chat. It's been a while since I've been in front of the camera, almost a month, and I had to get done with school. I just finished up my bachelor's degree. I'm going to be graduating this Sunday, which I'm very excited for, and I'm just ready to get on with my life and move on and do fun things with you guys on YouTube and also start my career. I'm actually wearing a shirt that looks kind of like something that they wear in the Apple store, which I feel like works really well since I'm unboxing an AirTag. Like, hi, I'm your friendly neighborhood Apple employee. I'm going to sell you guys some AirTags today and tell you guys why AirTags are so great. And you're going to leave me a 5-star review in the email box that I sent you. Be sure to leave your Apple employee a 5-star review because they deserve it. So I've just been busy with school and I've just been busy with life. I feel like I just took a little bit of a break from YouTube, mainly just because school was just getting out of hand. I had like 3 major papers due and they were all over 5 pages a piece. One was like 6.5, the other one was 5, and the other one was 16 pages. So I've been very busy for the past month doing papers and stuff like that, doing research and doing all the other bullshit that you have to do, tests, exams, all that fucking bullshit. And yeah, I'm ready to move on and start doing more content with you guys. I'm going to again promise you guys at least 1 video a month. I'm gonna try to do 2 videos a month since now I do have more time since I'm no longer a student, which we'll talk about that in a few minutes. I would love to make YouTube my full-time job. That is kind of the goal, but at the same time I'm not gonna push it because I realize if I do make YouTube my full-time job, my full-time career, that I'm probably going to lose passion for it. I'm glad I got the degree. By the way, I got a degree in communications. I am using it as kind of like, okay, so like I can get a job in the social media field and have YouTube on the side for fun. I think we should just start unboxing these things because half of you guys are just here to watch me unbox AirTags. So I got these AirTags specifically for a trip after graduation. I'm basically walking across stage again or right on a plane and going somewhere. I wish I was doing that, but I'm not. I'm waiting a week in between because that's just how booking works and everything. But yeah, I'm going on my first trip in a long time. It's been like 6 years since I've been out of state and really ready to get out of the state of Illinois for a little bit. You guys will know where I'm going because you'll probably see it on my Instagram, which by the way, be sure to follow me on all the social medias. They're all right here. They're at Brian Lesniak with 2 N's. So be sure to follow me, guys. It's a 4-pack. The reason why we got a 4-pack is because 2 are for me and 2 are for my sister who I'm traveling with. We have a Peely tab right here. That was very anticlimactic. It's an Apple accessory. It's not going to be that interesting, okay? It's not like I bought an iPhone to come back on YouTube, okay? Actually, Brian, you did do that before. You did buy an iPhone to come back on YouTube, you silly little goose. I will be getting the iPhone 16, and we're going to talk about that in this video. There it is. Okay, take that out. There we go. And there's extra papers, and then just whatever. We got an instruction manual guide, Apple 1-year warranty, great, cool, fantastic, don't care. Have yet another FCC compliance, this is a very important read, trash, don't care. Give me the AirTags. So we have the AirTag right here, and then look at it. Kind of folds open like a book. It's like a book, it's an Apple storybook. Apple's telling you how your money gets spent at Apple, and look at that. As you can tell, AirTags have been out for a long time because it's showing the iPhone 12 on the packaging. And we're on the iPhone 15. We're almost on the iPhone 16. I'm going to be unboxing 2 of them today. So we have, these are just some Walmart branded AirTag holders because you need AirTag holders for the AirTags, which I find kind of stupid. Like, you need an accessory for your accessory. Like, isn't that kind of fucking weird? Isn't that capitalistic and kind of weird? Anyways, so 2 of them are gone. So let's see what the one my sister left me. She left me this one, which is cute. Okay. There you go, so there's this. And then there's this nice kind of leatherish looking one. And take that out, cool. So I have my 2 AirTag holders. Here's your Apple beads. I don't know what this video is, okay? I'm just running off the fumes. So you kind of peel that, and then you peel this, and then, yeah. So I guess all I do is I bring my phone next to it. Maybe unlock my phone, that'll probably be helpful. Oh, and you look at that. AirTag is discovered. Connect, and it's asking me what it's going to be called. This is going to be luggage. So we're gonna hit continue. This is gonna be the luggage one. AirTag is intended solely to track your items that belong to you. Using an AirTag to track people without their consent is a crime in many regions around the world. AirTag is designed to be detected by victims and to enable law enforcement to request identifying information about the owner. So be sure to not stalk people with an AirTag, okay? And it's assigning to Brian's luggage. And it's set. And that's it. That's the AirTag. Open it like this, and then you gotta shove your AirTag, in here, and then you clasp it. And voila. See, all right. This is going to be actually for my backpacks. And it's set up. And then you shove her in there, and we're done. So this is where it's going to live. It's going to live on my Nightmare Before Christmas Loungefly backpack that I take for work every day, like this. And we're going to put that around there. And voila, I can track my location of my backpack. How cute. And the other one is going to be, of course, on my luggage. But that's it, that's the unboxing. AirTags are so freaking simple. There's no reason for an unboxing video. I just wanted to talk to you guys, okay? I just wanted to talk to you guys. That's the unboxing for you guys. So if you want to click off the video, go ahead, I don't care. Yeah, I'm very excited, of course, to start making content for you guys again. I know I have been honestly, I've been pretty consistent. This is probably the first year in a long time that I've uploaded multiple times a month, so I'm very proud about that. I'm also here just to say thank you guys so much for subscribing to this channel. I'm literally almost at 300 subscribers, which is literally crazy to me. I'm super grateful and stuff, especially since the fact that I gained like over 150 subscribers ever since February is just literally absolutely insane and bonkers. Thank you so much for getting my Z Flip video to 16,000 views. Are you kidding me? That is super awesome. I do plan on making more customization videos for both iPhone and Android, so be sure to look out for those. And yeah, I'm very excited. I'm very hopeful for the future. I'm so grateful that people are following me, subscribing to me, commenting on my videos, just watching my content. I'm just super grateful. It's really cool to see my dreams come true with content creation because, again, I've been on YouTube for almost, I think this year is my 12th year on YouTube, which is crazy to me. For a long time, I actually thought that I was going to give up on YouTube, and I'm so glad I didn't. I'm so glad I kept pushing, and I'm still here to stay. I'm very excited. So yeah, thank you guys just so much. It's going to be so weird to actually never be called a student anymore. A little fun fact about me is that I have been in college for 6 years. I was originally, if everything went to plan and the COVID-19 pandemic never happened, I would have graduated in spring of 2022, but unfortunately, life just didn't work out that way. Here we are now. Here we are. This is what we're dealing with. This is kind of just a reminder to always pursue your dreams and passions. Be sure to get your education if you want to, of course. And just never give up. There's gonna be a lot of people telling you that 6 years to get a bachelor's degree is way too long and you should think of something else and you shouldn't be in school for that long. And there's just a bunch of people who are saying a bunch of bullshit. And you just gotta make sure to listen to yourself and be sure that you are following your passions and you're happy where you're at. And anything is possible. It took me a while to get my bachelor's degree, but hey, I finally got it. I'm very proud of myself. I'm very grateful. We're just sticking with it because it's been a hard couple years. Oh my god, there's so much to catch up on. We haven't talked in a long time. Do you guys know that new iPads are coming out on May 7th? Like, what? New iPads are coming out? No. I ain't getting an iPad. No. I've had way too many iPads in the past, and my iPad mini is going to be with me forever. She's my bestie. I love her so much. And then in June, we get iOS 18. I'm very excited to see that. I'm not very excited about all the AI features that are rumored to happen with this update because I'm not a fan of AI. I've written papers about AI and how bad it is and how unethical it is, and like, I did a lot of research on AI for this last paper, and I'm not a big fan of it, so yeah, that's not cute. iPhone 16, yes, I am getting the iPhone 16. I feel like I need to get it. Honestly, at this point, I feel like I'm stuck in a contract with Apple and I have to get the latest iPhone every single September, and also because I like getting the new iPhone every single September. So I'm definitely getting the iPhone 16. Will I keep it though? That's something we don't know about. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not, but I'm gonna be unboxing it on this channel. Don't you dare worry. We're gonna get an unboxing in 4 months, which, by the way, September is like 4 months away now, which is fucking crazy. All right, guys, that is it for today's unboxing video slash chit-chat video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did like it, be sure to leave a comment down below and be sure to like this video. And also be sure to follow me on all the social media. Links are gonna be down in the description down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to make sure you get notified whenever I post another video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. I shall see you guys in the next one. Bye.